Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very easy but delicious one. We are going to make malai pyaz ki sabzi. Yes, the cream and onion curry. The cream which we collect always, we end up making ghee, but sometimes you can also try this curry with that. It's very easy to make. It's made in just few minutes and it tastes so good. You can enjoy it with your parathas, puris. So let's proceed to make this curry. Malai pyaz ki sabzi, a delicious curry made with fresh cream and onions. We'll require about 3 onions. I've cut them into quarters and separated the layers this way. Big chunks. And about 1 cup cream, fresh cream or malai. 2 green chilies and 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. This tastes better, but if you don't have, you can use any other oil also. Cumin seeds, half teaspoon. Kasuri methi roasted, half teaspoon. Jaggery, half teaspoon. Turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon. Coriander powder, half teaspoon. Cumin powder, half teaspoon. Red chili powder, half teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder. And salt to taste. Now let's proceed with the curry. Heat the oil. As we all know, mustard oil has to be heated very well to a smoking point and then reduce the heat. Now add the cumin seeds and allow them to crackle. Dip in the green chilies and the onions. Just saute them. Do this on the medium flame as we don't have to make the onions brown. They only have to get cooked a bit until they are translucent. So keep stirring them intermittently so that they get cooked evenly and don't change the color. Cover it and simmer it for a while so that the onions get cooked, because we are not going to add any water to this curry. Once they are translucent, add the salt and all the spice powders. Coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, amchur or dry mango powder. Give them a nice toss so that they mix very well. Now cover the lid and simmer it a bit so that the spices get incorporated with the onions. Now add the malai. Mash it with a spatula so that it gets mixed up very nicely. Keep stirring. Maintain the flame at medium. This way, keep mashing with the spatula. Cover it and simmer it for half a minute or so. Now you can see the cream is cooked and nice and soft and fluffy after getting cooked. Check the salt. Now at this stage, add the jaggery powder or little sugar. But this is entirely optional. If you want, you can skip it. But this really balances the flavors. Finally, sprinkle a little roasted and crushed kasuri methi. And it's ready. Now the curry is ready to be served. Dish it out. Enjoy it with your rotis and fulkas. It tastes good with puris also. I'm sure your family is going to love this sabzi. Sprinkle a little more kasuri methi. Finally. So friends, do give it a try and share the feedback with me when you make it. We'll soon see you with a new recipe. Time to show some love, friends. Do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching, and check out these videos from the archives in case you have missed them. Have a good day.